Welcome to our video on how to deep clean your dishwasher using just vinegar and baking soda. Over time, dishwashers can become clogged with food particles, grime, and hard water stains, leading to a less efficient cleaning process and unpleasant odors. But with these simple steps, you can give your dishwasher a thorough deep clean in no time. Step 1. Empty the dishwasher. The first step in cleaning your dishwasher is to make sure it is completely empty of any dishes or utensils. This will make it easier to access all the areas that need to be cleaned. Once the dishwasher is empty, you can begin the cleaning process. Step 2. Run a cleaning cycle with vinegar. Pour a cup of white vinegar into the dishwasher's detergent dispenser and run the dishwasher on the hottest setting, using the normal wash cycle. The vinegar will help to remove any built-up grime or food particles from the dishwasher's interior. The acidity in the vinegar will also help dissolve hard water stains. Step 3. Scrub the interior. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, it's time to scrub the interior of the dishwasher. Use a sponge or brush to clean the inside of the dishwasher, including the spray arms and the bottom of the dishwasher. Pay special attention to the areas around the door seal and the edges of the dishwasher, as these are common spots for grime to build up. If your dishwasher has a filter, make sure to clean it to ensure the dishwasher is running efficiently. Step 4. Run a cleaning cycle with baking soda. Pour a cup of baking soda into the dishwasher's detergent dispenser and run the dishwasher on the hottest setting, using the normal wash cycle. The baking soda will help to neutralize any odors and leave your dishwasher smelling fresh. Baking soda is also a natural deodorizer and will help to remove any lingering smells. Step 5. Wipe down the exterior. Finally, wipe down the exterior of the dishwasher with a damp cloth to remove any remaining grime or stains. Be sure to pay attention to the control panel, as this is often a spot where grime can build up. You can also use a toothbrush to clean hard-to-reach areas like the buttons. And that's it. Your dishwasher is now clean and fresh. Repeat these steps every month to keep your dishwasher in top working condition. Pro tips for you. If you have hard water stains, use lemon juice instead of vinegar for step 2, to dissolve the stains. You can also add a few drops of essential oils like lemon or orange to the baking soda for a fresh scent. Run your dishwasher on the hottest setting for best results. Thanks for watching. Remember to give your dishwasher a deep clean with vinegar and baking soda every month for best results. With these simple steps, you can keep your dishwasher running efficiently and smelling fresh.